It's May 19th, 2020. I don't usually get to see the stream look like this below the MVP project right near it. The creep of the sediment has not reached the stream yet, but you can see it starting to make its way, draining off. So I'm just going to trace the steps here so that you can see. It's just heartbreaking to see how the sediment-filled water is draining through the failed MVP sediment erosion. There you can see the sediment creeping from underneath those silt sacks and from the project. So the water's draining down. It's creating this sediment-filled muddy puddle here, like it's done so many times before. There it is. We were out here last Friday and we could see what was going to happen. And then here, let me zoom in. Now you can see how it's coming through here underneath, and then how that's collecting and creating that will eventually end up in the stream, which I've documented so many times before. Also, it looks like it's going down this way too. So you can see the sediment-filled puddle there, and the water draining here, and eventually you can see the creep starting to go over there too. So it's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow, and that's probably, if it doesn't happen sooner, when the sediment-filled water will start choking the habitat, endangered fish, or the Roanoke log perch are. So just showing you here how that's gathering, connecting the dots. I usually come the other way, but this is where it's coming down off the project, off the MVP corridor. And come up and you'll see where the little waterfall is that's bringing it down here. Or it builds up momentum, creates erosion, and then there's sediment that fills the water, and that's what comes down and pollutes the habitat where the fish are. So I'm coming out here, and I already recorded up above how the water was coming off through the failed erosion sediment controls. So let me see if I can zero in so you can actually see that water bubbling, the little, what I call the little waterfalls. And then I will move out so you can see how it's coming off the project. All right.